I've been at work since 10 a.m. Let me show you what I worked on so far. Don't look at the back part. This is what I'm talking about. This front part over here. That is all I've worked on. Let me show you the time. I know. It's 4:40. It's been 6 hours, 40 minutes since I got to work. And this is what I've done. Sometimes I can't even explain it myself. I don't know why I'm not working. I'm just not feeling it. I'm supposed to be done with this set by Friday. Remember the pant sets that I did for myself? I'm doing it for a friend too. So I have the 2 legs done. I'm just remaining with attaching them. And then I have the coats. I've already worked the back panel of the coats. And now I need to do the front part. If I was serious, I would be done with the coat already. Today is Wednesday. I should be done with this by Friday because it's my friend's birthday and I want to gift it to her. I want to be done with it on time. So, pressure. This is how far I got yesterday. I'm starting at 11:20 today on Thursday, and I want to make sure that I at least finish on the coat. I'm almost done with one side of the front panels, and then I'll do the second one, then I'll attach, then probably I'll be able to finish up on the pair of pants over here. I finished on one of the front panels on Thursday, 3:46 p.m. At 11:10 on Friday, I'm done with the best coat. I didn't do much yesterday because I had some errands that I was running. So it's like we've not worked since Wednesday. This is what it looks like right now. And now on Friday at 1:03 p.m. I'm done with the coat and also the belt to the coat. I love how the coat is looking. So now we're going to do the pants. Like I mentioned before, the legs are ready and all we need to do is join them, then attach a waistband. I start by pinning the legs together using stitch markers and then I use my darning needle to sew all the way through the middle part of the 2 legs of the pants. Once I'm done with the sewing, I need to attach an elastic waistband in order to make sure that the pants fit on the waist. I do this by working a row of single crochets on the upper part of the pants while working over the elastic waistband. At 2:38 p.m. I'm done with everything, and right here I'm just laying the pants down together with the coat so that I can take some flat lay videos and also pictures, and I love how these have turned out. At 2:45 p.m. I start packaging of the gifts. I start by folding them neatly, then after that I'll wrap them with gift wrappers. I must say, I enjoyed this process, just putting everything together after the hassle that I've gone through creating it. Like, I started working on this set since July and I'm finishing it on September 12th, on the exact day when I'm supposed to be gifting it to my friend for her birthday. And I just hope that she's going to love it as much as I do. I just hope that she's going to see how much value I put into this and know how much I love her. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Sit there. Na ukasema ati you make sure. Mama. Make sure that anaweza fungulia hapo pia. Unafungua hizi gifts ama tulale? Nafunga. Dreads zimeanza kutembea. I feel the dancer crochet is coming. Did you expect? No, of course. I did not expect. Why didn't you expect? When you told you were taking me for dinner, did you expect? No. You knew the gift would be the dinner? No. Is that what you thought? No, the thing is, what you guys don't understand is, like, I'm so secure in our friendship that just even the time that we spend together is enough for me. Aww. Honestly. So that's what I want you guys to understand. Like, so even the fact that you took me for dinner and even bought me gifts. Like, I am. We didn't buy you gifts. Oh. Sasa, we didn't buy you gifts. Got me. I said you got me gifts. Okay. Okay, let me open. We want to see your honest reaction. Inaweza kuwa unga ugali akafagara. Guys, simu yangu inazimika. Why wouldn't I? Why not?
Same.